Okay, so welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to study about reactivity series. When any metal reacts with salt solution of another metal, then the more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal from its salt solution. But the question is, how can we decide which metal is more reactive and which is less reactive? ये पता करने के लिए reactivity series बनाई गई. It refers to the arrangement of metals in the descending order of their reactivities. As you can see, there is a picture which shows the reactivity series of metals. सबसे टॉप पे जितने भी मेटल्स हैं लाइक पोटेशियम सोडियम कैल्शियम ये सभी मोर रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट्स हैं और जितने भी मेटल्स सबसे नीचे है जैसे कॉपर सिल्वर गोल्ड प्लैटिनम ये सभी लीस्ट रिएक्टिव मेटल्स हैं जिन्हें हम नोबल मेटल्स भी कहते हैं. दिस रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज इज़ यूज्ड टू find whether a metal can displace another metal in a single displacement reaction. There are some features of the reactivity series listed here. As you can see that in the reactivity series, hydrogen is also placed in between the metals, which is a non-metal. ऐसा इसलिए क्योंकि जितने भी मेटल्स हाइड्रोजन के ऊपर है वो सभी एसिड से रिएक्ट करने पे हाइड्रोजन गैस लिबरेट करते हैं while जितने भी हाइड्रोजन से नीचे है वो सभी नहीं करते. Metals that are placed higher on the series have ability to displace metals that are placed lower from their salt. Also, when we move down the series, the electron donating ability of metals reduces. There are more than one applications of reactivity series, like for reaction between metals and water. If any metal which is present above the hydrogen in reactivity series reacts with water to liberate hydrogen gas and forms a base. For example, potassium reacts with water to form potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Like when zinc reacts with sulfuric acid, it liberates hydrogen because zinc is present above the hydrogen in reactivity series. Single displacement reactions between metals. It is a reaction of metal with the salt solution of other metal, and in this reaction the more reactive metal or the metal which is present at the top of the reactivity series displaces the less reactive metal from its salt. For example, when zinc is added to copper sulfate solution, it displaces the copper and produces zinc sulfate because zinc is a high ranking metal and copper is the low ranking metal in the reactivity series. This concept has several practical applications also, like for an extraction of metals from their ore. Titanium is extracted in this way from titanium tetrachloride via single displacement reaction with magnesium, in which magnesium displaces the titanium from titanium tetrachloride, and in this way we get titanium extracted from its ore. By looking at reactivity scale, we can also tell what metal can we use for making certain thing. Now you have heard about that sodium metal are always kept in kerosene oil, and you may have seen that copper turns green when left in open. But why is it so? Is it because of the reactivity series or is there anything else? Try to think about it. Thank you for watching and listening.